6 real conversations, 1 pharmacy visit, a train delay, a gym sign-up, a haircut gone slightly wrong, a lost package, and a supermarket mix-up. Stick around, the haircut one gets a little awkward. Let's start at the pharmacy.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Morning. I need something for a headache, please.
Of course. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday afternoon, honestly.
I'm sorry to hear that. Any fever or nausea with it?
No fever, just a dull pain behind my eyes.
That sounds like tension, not anything serious. I'd recommend this one.
How many do I take?
1 tablet every 6 hours, with food if possible.
Got it. With food every 6 hours.
Try to also drink some water and rest your eyes if you're on a screen a lot.
That would explain a lot, actually.
It happens to almost everyone who works at a desk.
That's good to know. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $650.
Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Just tap right here.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, one more thing before you go.
Yes?
If the headache is still there in 2 days, it might be worth seeing a doctor, not just taking these.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks again.
Take care. Feel better soon.
Funny enough, that same headache tip comes up again later, but on a train of all places.
Excuse me, is this the platform for the 10:15 to Manchester?
It was, but that train's actually delayed by 20 minutes.
Oh no, really? I have a meeting at 11.
I'm sorry. Delays happen a lot on this line in the mornings.
Is there an earlier one I could catch instead?
Let me look. There's one leaving from platform 4 in 6 minutes.
That could actually work. Is it a direct train?
Yes, direct, and it arrives 10 minutes before the delayed one would.
That's a relief. Do I need a new ticket?
No, your ticket covers any train on this route today.
Thank you so much. That saved me.
No problem at all. Platform 4, just up those stairs.
I appreciate it. I'm actually still getting over a headache from yesterday, so today has not been my morning.
Sounds like it. Drink some water on the train. It'll help.
That's exactly what the pharmacist said too.
Good advice travels fast. Safe trip.
Hi there! First time visiting us?
Yes, I've been thinking about joining for a while.
Well, welcome! What are you hoping to get out of it?
Mostly just more energy and maybe lose a little weight.
That's a great goal. We have a few membership options depending on how often you'd come.
What's the difference between them?
The basic plan is gym access only. The premium adds classes and a locker.
I think I'd actually use the classes.
Then premium makes more sense for you. It's $35 a month.
That sounds reasonable. Is there a trial period?
Yes, a 7-day free trial, no commitment.
Perfect. I'll start with that.
Great choice. Let me show you around before you get started.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
By the way, we've got a haircut place 2 doors down if you need one after your workout. The owner's actually a regular here.
Might take you up on that. Hi, welcome in. What are we doing today?
Just a trim, please. Nothing too short.
Got it. Just tidying up the ends. So, how much would you like off, roughly?
Maybe an inch, not more than that.
No problem. I'll be careful. So, I think that ended up being a little more than an inch.
Oh, how much more?
Maybe 2.5 inches total. I'm really sorry.
Okay, well, it's just hair. It grows back.
You're being very gracious about this, honestly.
It happens. Can you just even it out now so it looks intentional?
Absolutely. And this one's on the house for the mix-up.
Oh, that's kind of you. Thank you.
Least I can do. It actually suits you shorter for what it's worth.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for a package that should have arrived 3 days ago.
Do you have the tracking number?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Let me check that. It looks like it was marked delivered yesterday.
Delivered? I never got anything.
That's strange. Let me check which address it went to. Ah, it looks like it was left with a neighbor at number 42, not your address.
Oh, that's actually just 2 doors down from me.
That would explain it. Sometimes drivers leave it with a neighbor if no one's home.
That makes so much sense. Thank you for checking.
No problem at all. I'd knock on 42 when you get a chance.
Will do. Hopefully, they haven't opened it out of curiosity.
Let's hope not. Have a good day.
Excuse me, I think I picked up the wrong bag by mistake.
Oh, let me check. Yes, this one has someone else's shopping in it.
That explains why there's no coffee in here. I definitely bought coffee.
Let me check if the other bag is still at the counter.
That would be great, thank you.
Yes, here it is. Someone left it right where you were standing.
Perfect. This one's definitely mine. Sorry for the mix-up.
No trouble at all. It happens more than you'd think.
Twice in 1 week for me, actually. I got a package delivered to the wrong door, too.
Sounds like it's just one of those weeks.
It really is. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy your coffee.
Hi, just the full wash today, please.
Sure thing. Inside and out or exterior only?
Let's do both. It's been a while.
I can tell. Is that a coffee stain on the seat?
Guilty. Long week.
No judgment here. We see worse daily.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes for the full package.
I'll grab a coffee while I wait then.
Good call. There's a shop just around the corner.
Oh, is that the one next to the bakery?
That's the one. Their cinnamon rolls are famous.
Perfect. I know exactly where that is.
We'll have your car ready by the time you're back.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
See you in 20. Hello there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, I need a book on gardening for a project.
Wonderful topic. Let me check the catalog.
Thank you.
We have a few. One's about small balcony gardens.
Oh, that's actually perfect. I live in an apartment.
Then that one's ideal. It's on the 2nd floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right past the front desk.
Great. Thank you so much.
Do you have a library card yet?
No, this is actually my first time here.
No problem. It only takes a minute to set up.
That's good to know.
Bring your ID and we'll get you sorted.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. Good morning. What's going on with your little one today?
She's been scratching her ear a lot lately.
Let's take a look. How long has this been happening?
About 4 or 5 days now.
Okay, I don't see anything alarming, just some mild irritation.
Oh, that's good to hear.
I'll prescribe some drops, twice a day for a week.
Twice a day. Got it.
Also, her nails could use a trim while she's here.
Funny you mentioned that. I was just thinking the same thing.
We can do that today if you'd like.
Yes, please. That would save me a trip.
All done. She was very well behaved.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Of course. Come back if the scratching continues.
Will do. Thanks again. Hi, I need this jacket cleaned by Friday, if possible.
Let me see. Yes, Friday works fine.
Oh, good. I have an event that evening.
Anything special?
Just a work dinner, but I want to look sharp.
This jacket will come back looking brand new.
That's exactly what I was hoping to hear.
There's a small stain near the cuff. Did you notice?
Oh, I hadn't even seen that.
Don't worry, that comes out easily.
That's a relief. Thank you.
Ready for pickup Friday afternoon, after 2.
Perfect. I'll swing by after work.
Sounds good. Here's your ticket.
Thank you so much.
See you Friday. Hey there, what flavor can I get started for you?
What's new this week?
We just added a salted caramel swirl. It's really popular.
Ooh, I'll try that.
Cup or cone?
Cone, please.
1 scoop or 2?
Let's be bold. 2.
I like your energy. Here you go.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Careful, it melts fast on a day like today.
Noted. I'll eat quickly.
Noted. I'll eat quickly. Enjoy, and tell your friends about the new flavor.
I definitely will. This is delicious.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thanks. Hi, what are we doing today?
Just a quick manicure if that's okay. I'm a bit short on time.
No problem. We can do a quick one.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Any color in mind?
Something neutral. Maybe a soft pink.
Great choice. Very versatile.
This chair is actually really comfortable.
Most people say that halfway through, once they finally relax.
Guilty. I've been running around all morning.
Well, you can just breathe for the next 15 minutes.
Honestly, I needed to hear that.
All done. What do you think?
It's perfect. Exactly what I needed today.
Glad you like it.
Thank you. This was exactly the break I needed.
Morning. What can I get for you today?
Morning. Do you still have those cinnamon rolls?
Just pulled a fresh batch out, actually.
Perfect timing. I'll take 2, please.
Anything else? The sourdough's fresh, too.
Ooh, maybe 1 loaf as well.
2 cinnamon rolls, 1 sourdough. That's $9.50.
Card's fine, right?
Card's fine. Tap whenever you're ready.
Done. These smell incredible already.
Careful, they're straight out of the oven.
I don't mind waiting a minute for these.
Funny enough, we actually supply the ice cream place next door, too.
Oh, really? I love that shop.
Small world. Enjoy the rolls.
I definitely will. Thank you. Morning. Try an apple slice. Fresh picked yesterday.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
These are actually the same apples the bakery uses in their pies.
No way! I just had one of those pies.
Small town, right?
Really is. These apples are great, by the way.
Take a bag. They're $3 a pound.
I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Anything else catch your eye?
Those tomatoes look amazing, too.
Picked this morning, still warm from the sun.
I'll take a few of those as well.
That'll be $7.50 altogether.
Here you go. Keep the change.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your morning. Hi, welcome in. What can I get you tonight?
1 ticket for the 7 o'clock showing, please.
That's screen 4. Anything from concessions?
Just a small popcorn, please.
Butter or plain?
Butter, always.
Good choice. That'll be $16.50 altogether.
Card's fine, right?
Card's perfect. Tap right here.
Done. Which way to screen 4?
Straight down this hall, last door on the left.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the movie.
Thanks, I will.
Let us know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thank you.